What's up, you guys? Welcome back. Today I'm super excited because we're going to be doing a full face testing new drugstore affordable products from Walmart. Literally one of my favorite things to do is just go to Walmart and walk up and down the aisles and see like all the new makeup products. In my area, Walmart definitely has like the biggest selection of new stuff, so that's kind of always been my go-to. So I was super excited to be able to partner with them on today's video to test out a bunch of new stuff. I literally went there today and got this stuff. I did vlog while I was there, so I'll insert clips in a second. But I've literally been a Walmart shopper my whole life. Like, I grew up in like the smallest town ever in New Jersey, and we actually had a Walmart. It was like one of the only stores we had in my town. So I grew up a Walmart shopper, and girl, I still am. I love a good deal, you guys know that. And they have amazing stuff. So I'm really, really excited. Make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up if you like affordable videos. I'll be sure to do more. And also be sure to subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and click the little bell right next to the subscribe button so you be notified of all of my future uploads. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get started.
We're here. Ooh, we have new Wet n Wild primers. There's a hydrating one, Luminous, matte. I think I'm gonna go with Luminous. Definitely gonna get this. Ooh, new Revlon Lip Polishes. These look really pretty. Ooh, I haven't seen these new highlights from e.l.f. So I'll get one of these, and then I'm gonna grab a blush from e.l.f. too. This one looks good. Yes, you guys already know my favorite lashes, Salon Perfect. I think I'm gonna go with these guys, the Extension Seekers. These are so good.
Alrighty, up first we're gonna go in with a new product from Wet n Wild. I have never seen this. This is the Luminous Primer Stick. They had a couple different options, but I went with Luminous. So I'm gonna go in on my face with this, and let's see how luminous it makes this dry skin girl. Also, if my face looks a little red and like my eyes and stuff, I have filmed 3 videos today. So I've washed my face 3 times, so it's looking a little crusty at the moment. But that's nothing some nice new makeup can't fix. Ooh, okay, so it actually definitely does give a glow. I'm gonna go in with my fingers and kind of just like pat it in. Oh, but it's not like sticky or anything at all, which is nice. But it definitely gives luminosity to my skin. So I like that. I can't believe I didn't see them come out with this. Up next, super stoked about this. So this is new from Physicians Formula, and this is the Organic Wear Silk Elixir Foundation. This has jojoba oil in it. So I got this in shade medium. I'm gonna shake it up. I have not heard anything about this. I am gonna read the claims on the back. It says, ultra nourishing, weightless organic foundation, improves appearance of skin tone and texture. Silky, second skin, airbrush, dewy finish. Okay, well, that sounds good to me. So let's see how it applies. Gonna kind of just like drop it out. I hope this color works. There wasn't a lot of shades left. Like, it seemed as though people had been buying this, so I didn't have a lot to choose from. I'm just kind of gonna like wipe the wand on my face. I feel like that should be enough. It looks pretty yellow toned, but we'll hopefully be able to make it work. And I'm gonna blend this out. Yeah, it's definitely very, very yellow. So I should have probably gone with a different shade, but we're gonna make it work, don't worry. It's giving me a pretty good coverage, which I didn't expect at all. Like, I kind of just expected it to be really, really light coverage. I also feel like the more I blend it, it is like morphing into my skin a little bit better. Of course, we are gonna go in with powder and stuff. We'll make everything match to our neck. Trust me, you guys. But I'm pleasantly surprised with the coverage that it gave me. I wasn't expecting that at all, and it feels very comfortable on my skin. And I'm just blending it out with a beauty blender. You actually can get beauty blenders on Walmart's website. I feel like a lot of people don't know that, but you can. For concealer, we're gonna go in with the new Maybelline Superstay concealer. I have this in shade Light 15. I'm gonna go in with this on our under eye. This is supposed to be full coverage, which is the kind of concealers I like. Gonna bring it down my nose and in the center part of my face as well. And then gonna go in and blend it all out. This is actually blending out really nicely. And it's staying like full coverage too, which I really like. You guys know I love the e.l.f. Camo Concealer too. That's a really great affordable option. I use that all the time. It's only $5 and it's bomb. But this looks really good too. And I don't want to use the same e.l.f. one. Like, I wanted to use something new and fun, you know? Like, not every single product we're going to be using today is brand new, but you guys have seen me use the e.l.f. one enough times. You know I love it. To go ahead and set the under eyes, I'm going to jump into the Wet n Wild Contour Palette in this lightest shade here. And I'm just going to set anywhere that we concealed with this, so that it won't budge throughout the day. You guys already know I love this. And if you guys can't find this in store at your local Walmart, you can get it on their website. And now to set all over the face, I'm gonna go in with the Covergirl Trublend Loose Mineral Powder. This is in the shade medium. This is a little bit more of a warm tone powder, so it'll help to neutralize the yellowness of the foundation. This is a really, really nice powder though. It just sinks right into the skin. I love it. I also really like the banana powder to set my under eyes too. So just gonna use this to set that in place, make sure everything doesn't move throughout the day. For brows, I'm gonna jump in with the L'Oreal Brow Stylist Definer. I have this guy in shade Brunette. This has been a favorite of mine for years. It is such a good dupe to the Anastasia Brow Wiz. So just gonna go in and define out my brows with this. It has a very fine point, so it's really easy to just get in and really define. It is called the Brow Stylist Definer. Also really love the Covergirl, like little fine definer brow product too. That's really good. Alrighty, brows are done. We're moving on to the eyes. I am so excited. We are gonna be using the new Profusion Mirage palette. This literally looks so stunning. I am obsessed with Profusion. They literally make the best products for the most affordable price. Like, it is crazy, and one of the only places that I can find their products in my area in store is at Walmart, so I always am there like perusing that section, and this palette is so stinking beautiful. And this has 35 different colors and was under $13. It was $12 and some change. Like, you really can't beat that. All right, so I am first gonna go in with this shade right here, and I am gonna buff that into my crease like so. Every time I try their palettes, I'm so impressed. Like, they blend really well, they're super easy to use, and for the price, you literally just cannot beat it. I wanna use like some of these burnt reds over here. They're giving me such fall vibes. So I'm gonna go in with this shade right here and work that into the crease and just buff that back and forth. And then I think I wanna do kind of like a halo eye, so I'm gonna go in with this burnt orange. I'm gonna put that in my inner corner and my outer corner, and we're gonna do a nice shimmer in the center, but I'm gonna work this on first. These matte shadows are so pigmented. And then I'm gonna go in with this deeper bronze shimmer in the center. And I'm gonna just pack that on with my finger. Yes! Oh my gosh, love this. How pretty. These are basically like pressed glitters, but when applied with your finger, they stick to the eye fine. Like, I didn't put down any lash glue or anything, and they're sticking just fine. I am living for this look. I'm gonna go mix these two together on my lower lash line, just to smoke everything out down there. Then I'm gonna go with the Maybelline Master Precise liner and just do my liner, because we are gonna be going in with lashes. So I just wanna have a thin little line down. I'm not gonna do anything like crazy, like a wing or anything, just because we do already have that glitter and stuff, so I feel like it's enough, you know? For our lashes, I'm gonna go in with my favorite. These are the Extension Seekers from Salon Perfect in the style 663. Thankfully, these can disguise these falling off lash extensions. I'm gonna just pop it on the other eye as well. Then on my waterline, I'm gonna go in with the Maybelline Lasting Drama Liner. And this is just in shade black. I'm just popping that in my waterline. And for mascara, I'm gonna go in with the Covergirl Lash Blast Volume and just coat my lashes with this. I'm gonna put it on my upper lashes too, just to blend my natural lashes in with my falsies. Just coating everything on up. This is actually a great mascara too, like if you don't have falsies on, like if you really want to add a lot of volume to your natural lashes, it's perfect. All right, now to finish off the face, I'm gonna be going in with my favorite bronzer, the L'Oreal Bronze Please, and I'm gonna bronze up my skin with this. I love the scent of this. It smells so, so good. And it's a huge bronzer. Like, this will take literally forever to go through, so I love that too. Like, when you buy it once, you're gonna be set on bronzer for a long time. Plus, of course, it's affordable. For blush, I got this e.l.f. blush in the shade Blushing. I'm gonna just pop this on my cheeks to give me a little flush. This does have a little bit of shimmer to it, but I like that. And then I'm super excited because I got this new highlight from e.l.f. I have not tried this. This is the Metallic Flare Highlighter in white gold. There are two different shades. I went with the lighter one. It looks really pretty, so I'm excited. So we're gonna go in and highlight. Yes! Oh my god. It's like an icy highlight, but I live. So pretty. And like, if you just put a little bit on, it'll be like more subtle, but then you can build it up to be blinding, which of course is what I want. I die. Yes. e.l.f. honestly like makes amazing products, like, plus at a really, really affordable price, which is great. So, so pretty, literally beaming. All right, and then we're gonna go in with a nice vampy lip. This is new, these are from Revlon. These are the Ultra HD Vinyl Lip Polishes. So they're high shine, high brilliance. So this shade is so shady, love that. Oh my god, I live. These sort of colors are my favorite. Besides nude, of course, you guys know that I always wear nudes, but that's why I'm doing something different. This also smells just like candy, which is a nice touch. It makes me want like gummy worms or something. And then I'm just gonna top it with a little bit of this Summer Mckean lip gloss from Maybelline. This is the shade Bronzed Up. I just have it right here, so I'm like, might as well. Just add a little bit of this to amp up the shine and the shimmer. Those two mixed together are super pretty. All right, you guys, so that is everything. I hope you enjoyed this. I feel like we got to try some really, really good products. I will have all the products linked down below, so definitely be sure to check them out, or you can go to your local Walmart and check them out as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you so much, and I'll see you very soon in my next video. Bye.